Right. Seagull. I am doing DU135. Why am I doing DU135? Breast cancer nurses for the McGrath Foundation. My mother's just been diagnosed with breast cancer. One of our runners, Jane Carmody, is a survivor of breast cancer. And I wanted to do something through the McGrath Foundation. Hey, by the way, these puppies have just done 1,000 kilometers. And they no longer make them. Come on, Pearl Izumi. They were great. Alrighty, I want to raise £5 for the McGrath Foundation. So far I've raised $1,366, and that has come from some pretty awesome donations from the following people: Ian Ferguson, Kirk Maplestone, Peak 15 Personal Training, come on, Jane and Mark Carmody, Elena Cumming, Tanya McRae, Joy Gleason, Beck Jolly, Seema Maharaja, Margaret Quigley. I once was a gymnast when I was a kid. Just thought I'd let you know that. Jodie Hogan, Annabelle Brown, Alinka Puller, Rob Stevenson, Mark and Jane Carmody, Jane and Mark Carmody. That's 3 times. Those guys are putting in $10 a week until this thing ends. £5 is what I'm after. 1,366 has already been raised. Training. I'm going to put a shitload of training in. I'm doing a 10% increase each week. Oh, that's going good. Staying in here, Peak 15 personal training. I'm going to do 2 strength and conditioning sessions a week. That's going okay, but we just had Christmas and New Year, and my wife's birthday, the cat's coming out party, the dog's rainbow hair grip party. All these things get in the way of strength and conditioning, as you probably have the same problems. That's it for part 1. I'm going to try and do a couple of these to give you an update on what is happening. I need £5. I've got 1,366. Oh, by the way, if I get £5, Bad Leroy will be tattooed upon my body somewhere. That's going to be decided by the PTR crew. Check out my McGrath Foundation donation website. I'm going to put details somewhere around here. Your donations are super generous, so thanks very much. Love your work. I don't know if that was good enough. Oh, I hate doing these things. I don't like being in front of the camera. Just a workout instead. Joy Gleason. Joy Gleason. Joy Gleason.